instead of giving you two functions and saying compose them for calculus, it's going to be important to look at a function. In this case, I usually call it capital H or lowercase h, and make up two functions, f and a g, such that when they're composed, you get h. So if you would write that down, and we'll do these together. So the trick for both of these is by saying f circle g, which one's on the inside and which one's on the outside. Good. So looking at part A, the cube root of 5x squared plus 1, what expression looks to be on the inside? So make that your g, 5x squared plus 1. And then ask yourself, what's being done to the 5x squared plus 1 in this function h? You've taken the cube root of it. So you can make your f cube root of x. So the whole point is to come up with two functions, an inside and outside, f and g respectively, such that if you were to compose f and g, you would get h. So notice if you put 5x squared plus 1 in for this x and the f of x, you would get your function h.
So could there be different possibilities?
There's infinitely many answers. Because if I wrote, instead for f, I wrote x minus 1 as the radicand, and for g I said x squared plus 2, it's still going to work. So if you add something here and subtract something there, you get infinitely many answers. However, in practice, there's a best answer as far as when you're going to use this at the end of Calc 1, beginning of Calc 2. This is the best answer. It's going to do what you want it to do. All right, so with that stated, part B. Now this one's a little bit harder, if you will, because there is no definite inside-outside. But I like to start with the inside function g of x. What makes a good g of x for this one? Sure. And because of that, what makes a good f of x? Very good.